The 2025 Toyota Century represents the pinnacle of Toyota's luxury offerings, combining unmatched craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and eco-friendly innovation. Often referred to as Japan's answer to Rolls-Royce, the Century is a symbol of understated elegance and power. Here's a closer look at this silent powerhouse. Design and exterior. Timeless elegance. The 2025 Century retains its classic, boxy design, exuding sophistication while incorporating modern touches like sleek LED headlights and a refined chrome grille. SUV variant. For the first time, the Century is available in an SUV body style, catering to global markets seeking versatility without compromising on luxury. Customization options. Buyers can choose from a palette of exclusive colors and bespoke detailing, ensuring a personalized touch. Performance. Hybrid powertrain. The Century is equipped with a powerful hybrid V8 engine, offering seamless performance while prioritizing environmental responsibility. Quiet ride. Advanced soundproofing and the electric motor ensure a near-silent driving experience, ideal for those who value tranquility. All-wheel drive. Enhanced handling and stability make the Century perfect for both city streets and long-distance cruising. Interior and comfort. Opulent cabin. The interior is a masterclass in luxury, featuring premium materials like hand-stitched leather, polished wood trims, and plush wool upholstery. Advanced technology. Highlights include a 20-inch infotainment screen, rear seat entertainment, and advanced climate control for personalized comfort. Executive seating. Rear passengers enjoy reclining seats, massage functions, and retractable leg rests for first-class comfort. Safety and tech features. Toyota's Safety Sense. The latest suite of safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. AI integration. Voice-controlled assistants and AI-powered predictive systems enhance convenience and efficiency. Price and availability. Exclusive pricing. With a starting price upwards of $170,000, the Century remains a vehicle for the elite. Global availability. While primarily aimed at the Japanese market, Toyota plans limited releases in other regions due to growing demand.